So for today's Tesla Model 3 video, I got my family over here. Got my, right there you go. There's, what's your name?
Uriah.
Uriah. What you got over there? Haven. Amaya, baby. It's my boy over here, Myungjin. And today's video is gonna be Tesla Model 3 video games. It's 2023 right now, so we're gonna play video games and we're gonna share with you guys the games that's in the Tesla Model 3 that's fun for the whole family. So we got the whole family over here, and I'm going to put the link below of the cheapest video game controller that I could find on Amazon. This looks like a Super Nintendo video game, and I think it's like $10 for both of them, and it's wireless. It feels cheap, but at least it's affordable. So that's, we're excited with that. And we tested this out already. We plugged it into, you have to plug your controller into the glove box, but it only has one slot for your, can you get that for me, Ryan?
Yep.
It only has one slot for your thumb drive where it records your security video, but with this hub, it allows you to put multiple controllers and even has extra room for like USB-C if you want to charge anything like that. So I'm going to put the Amazon link below if you guys want something like this. So you do need something like this to play games if you want multiplayer or anything like that. Okay, so if you could plug this back in. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what's the first game. Okay, so game number 1. What game is that?
The Battle of Polytopia?
Ah, good reading. Yeah, that's what it means. Alright, let's play.
One player.
That's one player. Okay, we'll just look at the game and see how it is. I think there's only maybe 1 or 2 games that's 2 players, but I think the rest of them is only 1 player. But at least we'll see how the game is to see if it's working with it.
Well, with my finger?
Yeah, you can touch it with your finger. Let's see.
Wait, multiplayer?
Let's do multiplayer. Yeah, I didn't know there's multiplayer. Right, let's do player 1. Let's see what happens. Okay, add. Then player 2.
Player 2. Add player 3.
Alright, start. I have no idea what this game is like.
Yeah!
It looks old school. First to reach the battle points win. Okay. Oh, you might have to play with your fingers. You know what? This looks like it's too long to figure out how to play. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna have to pass on this. Let's go to the next game. Yep, and then click on the next game. Mahjong.
You might be the only person that knows how to play that.
Hey, don't be judging me because I'm Asian, man. I have no idea what this game is, man. This boy is already judging me. He thinks I know karate, I know math, and I know mahjong, okay? I do know karate and I'm okay with math, but definitely not mahjong. Okay, no, we're gonna skip that.
I know math. Sudoku.
You know math?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sudoku.
Okay, let's try playing Sudoku.
Alright, I don't know.
Alright, I guess a lot of them you don't have to use a controller, right? Just
New
game? Just play. Yeah, let's do a new game.
I know how to play what?
Oh, you know how to play a little bit? Okay, that's cool. Sudoku. Do you know how to play Sudoku?
No.
You're supposed to put the number 1 through 9 all the way across in a mathematical way that I personally don't know how to do. Yeah, we're gonna have to pass on this one. But we're just gonna move on. See, there you go. Yes, finally, a 2-player game. Remote controller. Go ahead and push play. Alright. Finally, 2-player game. Oh, this looks cool. Okay. Let me see. Hey, let me see if it's me. Okay, I got it. I got controller 1. Press fire to join. Can you join? Are you in? You're in. Okay. Okay, let's see if it works. Yes, I'm moving. You got it? You're playing? Okay. So there's only 2 buttons that works. That blue button, and then nothing yet. Just the blue button. Oh, it's like an old school Galaga game. That's just nice.
Oh, I got hit again. No.
Oh, you keep dying. You don't have the skills. Are you lacking skills?
Yes.
You guess? Push play, enter. Can you press enter and come into the game?
Nope.
Oh, you died 3 times already. Oh man, we might have to start this all over again. All right, let's move on to the next one. At least we know 2-player works.
So that game slide is cool.
Down? Slide down. All right, cool. Let's play the next one.
Next one? Oh.
Solitaire. Okay, we're gonna skip Solitaire. I mean, it's a card game.
Ooh, Cat Quest.
I don't even know how to play Solitaire. Okay, Cat Quest. Let's play Cat Quest.
Player
one
one.
player?
How
Okay,
we
you can
played
try. You could try.
How we played this?
What, you want to try playing too?
Yeah, but I don't know how to play.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know how to play too.
But suddenly, they vanished, never to be seen again.
Hat Quest.
What? New game.
New game. Yes. Cat the Knight.
They should make like Elon Musk the narrator for this. Like,
Right? His face pops out. Yeah, that'd be super funny.
Is that the tires?
Yeah, that's the tires. That's why I don't like to play games using the steering wheel. You can actually play games using the steering wheel. There's a racing game, but I felt comfortable with the tires like moving around like that. Like, I don't want to ruin my tires for a video game.
Listen, dragons have returned. We need to scurry to a town quickly. We can save your questions for later. This is how you run.
Okay, that's how you. Oh, that's cool. I know you could use PS4 controller to play games and Xbox, right? That's why the picture is an image of a PS4 controller. Oh, there you go. Push up, push button. See what happens.
I don't think you can use certain ones.
Oh, right, not all of them, right?
Yeah.
A monster's coming.
It's like an old school Zelda game.
This is how you attract
Where are you going?
enemies.
Oh, that's cool.
A red circle shows an enemy's attack range.
All right, well, this game is cool. Let's try the next one. Yeah, I like it. I think it's a
Goodbye, cat.
long game. I think you really have to sit there and really play the game. It's not a quick
Fallout
arcade
Shelter?
game. Okay, let's try Fallout Shelter. It's one player. Go ahead and play it. You ever play Fallout Shelter before?
I've heard of it.
Yeah? Oh, well, okay. Give it to Avon. Okay, he said he's tried playing it.
This before.
Yeah? I've never played it before. Beep, beep, beep. Beep,
What do you
beep,
press
beep.
it in?
X.
The blue button. Yeah. Blue button. No. Anything else? Try pushing all kinds of buttons. Let me see if this button will work. Nope. Oh, you have to play with a touch. Okay, so you can't use the remote for this game then. You can't even reach over here.
Do you want to play?
No, yeah, I'll just play real quick. Just show how this game is. Okay, create a vault. What's the purpose of this game? What is this game all about?
It's like after a Fallout war,
Yeah.
and everybody gets into a vault, and you pretty much have to build your own vault to like. It's like a tycoon, pretty much.
Oh, that graphic is nice though. This game looks like it's gonna take a while for you to play too.
It does take a
Take a
while.
while? Alright, we're gonna move on. We know that this game doesn't use a controller and you have to touch it. Let's go to the next game. Stardew Valley. I heard a lot of good things about this game. You ever play Stardew Valley? Okay, push play. Let's do it. Let's see if the controller works. Go ahead. You could try. We'll try the 2-player game then. I'm excited for that Cuphead. That's why I think that's gonna be a good game.
How do I bait this?
You wanna play? Yeah, try
How
it.
do I
See if it works. Alright. Here. Okay. Oh, that's how it changes. Oh, okay.
It changes
That's
the
how you.
hair.
That's cool.
Why a boy or a girl?
Alright, Maya's like, you're a girl. Alright, let's go to an exit. Let's move on. Let's move on with the next one. Backgammon. We're not gonna even play backgammon. I've never played it before. I don't even know how to play it. There's a lot of games I don't know how to play. Okay, finally, Cuphead. Let's go. Okay. Old school. I like that retro feel about this game. Alright, let's start. Oh, see, you got in. Nice. Okay, player 2 in. Okay, let's go.
Now where do we go?
Hi. Hey.
Hey,
Phil.
fellas.
That's you?
Looks like you're for it now.
Oh, they're like snapping.
Oh, no. Wow, we both died at the same time. Okay, well, okay, we're just trying it out. That game's fun. You know, before we go into the next game, let's go ahead and do me a favor, Evan. Can you take out that vacuum? Because, you know, when you have a big family, you could easily make a mess. So that means that there's one thing that I definitely think is really cool. So I have a really, there it is. But this one is rechargeable. And I like it because it looks high-tech like a Tesla. Here. Okay, so I'm going to make a little mess over here. All right, Amaya, I want you to clean it up, okay? There you go. Hold on one second. Test it out. Push the button.
Not towards his hair.
Okay, turn it off. Okay, let's say that this little tissue is a mess. Okay, Amaya, you're gonna clean it up, give it a little demonstration. Let's see. Alright,
Amaya.
clean that. Get in there. Ooh. 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 Alright. Yeah. Awesome. That's cool. Even you can use the vacuum to clean. Okay. And what other, does it have other stuff in there? Was it a brush that you gave me? That's the coolest vacuum I've ever seen. Okay, that's like just a regular vacuum.
Yep.
Floor vacuum, and then that's a little brush one. And what? This is like a USB. This
Put
is
it in
cool.
there?
Yeah, put that down there. That's really cool,
Looks like it's gonna fall.
right?
Yeah.
Looks neat because you could plug this into the USB, and this is how you charge it.
Oh yeah,
So,
and then you could take it out.
yeah, take out the trash. Take that out and show them how easy it is
Wait,
to.
how do you? Oh.
Cool. Check out the little baby filter. Futuristic looking too. So, okay, I'm gonna throw this away and go ahead and put that together. So guys, this vacuum, I'm gonna put a link below on where you can get them. It's really inexpensive, but yet it's super high tech, and anybody in any age can use this, right? Even Amaya can use it. And she's only what? How old are you? 12 years old?
No, bro.
4 years old? Oh my gosh! Only 4?
Watch all of
My
those.
goodness. Okay. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna put the link below to buy that awesome vacuum. Below, listen to Uriah. Yes. Okay, we're almost done with the video. Let's go to the next one. Okay.
Beach buggy racing 2.
2-player, yes.
2-player.
Okay, 2-player. Yeah, you push
So,
2 players. Good. Oh, good. You controlling one? I'm controlling this one. Only left and right is working. Worst case scenario, you could just push. You could just use this to play. Okay, let's just try this. So the controller, we're having a hard time playing.
whoa, that's fast.
And then there's the brake pedal here. Okay, so the controller wasn't really working well for us for this one, but I was using the cheap controller. But at least we could.
Oh no! Break. Out of bounds.
Right, you could play this in one.
Oh, yes, no. I missed it.
All right, well that's cool. Let's go to the next game.
Alright.
That's a fun little game. 2 more games. Okay, they got chess.
I know how to play that.
You know how to play chess?
Yeah.
Okay. I believe you.
2048?
What is that?
2048.
Okay, let's try play 2048. It's one player. Go in,
Oh,
go and
it's
try it out.
touch screen, it says.
It has to be touchscreen? Okay. I'm gonna have to figure out how to play this game. Is that the last game? So guys, that concludes our video. The game was Wilfred. Did you have a good time?
Yep.
Once again, I got the controller link, Amazon link below. I got that hub, Amazon link below as well too. You definitely need to get it, very inexpensive. And let's see what else, the vacuum link below too. So guys, thank you guys so much for joining us. If you guys watched it all the way through, thank you guys so much. And we will see you next time.
I
Something
had
like
fun playing games with my uncle.
Mhm.
And stay tuned for more videos. And make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.
Oh yeah.